Hey, my name is Dominique Hodges. I'm a senior healthcare recruiter. I work for Quest Healthcare Solutions.
My name is Aletha. I work at Quest Healthcare Solutions. I am a healthcare recruiter. I staff physicians all over the country in different specialties, CRNAs, hospitalists, anesthesiologists, critical care medicine, cardiologists, you name it.
On February 29th of this year, I started as a junior recruiter. I've now been promoted to a senior healthcare recruiter.
I started at Quest back in January, but it was the very tail end of January, so I've been here for a total of, 9 months, but at my 6-month mark, they were talking to me about moving up from a junior recruiter into a senior recruiter. So I actually moved up September 1st after only being here from, I would say, February to August.
So May 2022, I graduated with my Master's of Science in Healthcare Administration. My undergrad is in Health Sciences with a minor in Sociology. Upon graduation, I definitely did not see myself working in the locum industry, but now that I'm here, I currently love it. I do love healthcare on a corporate level. It's definitely very different from a hospital-based setting, which I'm used to.
I've been in healthcare for a long time, but I never expected to be in the locums industry or even in healthcare recruiting at all. But I ended up here and I do like it a lot. I love talking to doctors, different physicians, especially hearing about different specialties across the board as opposed to just the one that I came from. So Quest has a lot of opportunities for growth, specifically in recruiting. When you come in as a junior, you do want to ultimately be a senior. Technically, you have like a projected time period.
That I've grown a lot in my journey being here at Quest Healthcare Solutions. I started off as a junior recruiter. In my junior role, I was doing things such as working under other senior recruiters to make sure that I can get a good understanding of what exactly it is that my job the job that I'm supposed to be doing and how to build those connections with providers. When I was a junior, I mostly worked under Lauren, who is now our vice president. She provided me with the tools and equipment to be successful in my now senior role. I now have used those same skills and strategies that I learned as a junior recruiter to be very successful.
The strategies I have in place now being a senior are just to make sure that my book of business stays very well organized. I don't let things fall through the cracks. I keep the doctors and other providers engaged. I constantly have good rapport with them and just a lot of relationship building as opposed to just sourcing them and letting them go. It's really to keep the relationships going for however long we can so that I can continue to staff them and their friends.
In my new position, I definitely see myself advancing at a rather rapid pace since I did get promoted within the 6 months of being here due to my hard work and diligence. I definitely see myself moving into a more admin role since my background is in healthcare administration. I definitely see myself taking on more leadership positions as I learn the business more. Strategies that I tend to use or that I'm going to start implementing in my day-to-day so that I can be more successful is being able to source candidates on different job sites, being able to reach out to providers after hours. Maybe after we leave the office at 5:30, I'm reaching out to providers at night just so that I can maximize my time and be more successful. I definitely see myself moving, starting my days on Sundays and just planning the week ahead and what I would like to see happen.
My hopes for the future are just to continue to grow within my role recruiting and then also just at Quest as a whole. Well, I'm really excited to be a senior recruiter now.
I definitely love my new role. I love working for Quest Healthcare Solutions. I definitely see how my role here is very important to the company growing as a whole. We've only been in existence for about 13 years, so I'm just very grateful to be able to add my expertise and my experience and my skill to be able to just be a part of this amazing company. I love it here.